Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rishabh and today we are going to explain another project, and this project is made up of using Python and AI. So this is also an interesting project for the last years, and if you are a last year student. So today we are building an project AI resume builders and a fully stack Python projects perfectly for the students for BC, MC and B.Tech on for the final year. It is use a Flask, NLP, and an OpenAI API. Okay, so actually we writing in write your resume. So what problem this project is solving? This project is writing a resume for you, so it will give you templates, and after the templates you can also use an AI to modify the written contents, or if you want to write your own context and then after that you want to modify, so that can be done in this project. And as you already know, in the all the resume builders, they just provided the templates, not an AI facilities. So in this project we have the two things: one is templates and another one is AI facilities, so they can use that. And this project is also easy to explain in your vivas and powerful enough to genuinely impress your examiner. Let's get into this project. So here, this is an idea for one liner, like how this project is going to work. First you need to log in, or if you have an credential, so you can just log in. If you don't have, then you need to sign up here. After this sign up, you just need to log in that with that credentials. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded lots of projects in different programming languages. And like you can see that these are the projects that we have uploaded, so you can check out. And the complete detail of this project you can check out from our website. You just need to go to the updategadh.com, and after that you just need to search AI. It will automatically give you an result. AI what is the project? AI resumer. So you just need to enter AI resume, so it will automatically fetch the data and show you the exact project that you are looking for it. So you can see the all the details of this project are available on this website. So now we just start this project. I just log in with an credential that I have already created: test@gmail.com. And then same for the password. I just enter the password. Now I have successfully logged in with these credentials, and you can see that I have already made some resumes that are just tested, like how it's working, or it's working or fine or not. Now you can pick from the PDF template, and you can just use it ready to send. You just need to just go to the dashboard. It will show all the resume that you have created. You can select the preview. It will show the resume preview, and you can create from here, or you can just download the resume that you have created. The main part of this project is to creating resume, so we just go with the resume. And or also you can delete the resume from here. Just select and delete, so it will delete the resume that you have already created or that are not in a use now. So just select the build resume. After that you can see that these are the fields. For now, like what we used to do before that, we just need to enter all the fields and manually, and after that, after filling the details, or we just go to the chat gpt, just paste the context from here and to the chat gpt, and then from chat gpt to here. Now we have solved that problem. Now you don't need to go to the chat gpt again and again and just copy and paste the context from here to there. First you need to select the some template that I've already predefined. You can add more templates from here, from the admin you can add more templates. Now I just select the software engineer and load the template. Now it will autofill the all the field. Now you just need to what you just need to do, you just need to enter the name, your correct name. Like I'm just setting my name, Rishabh. Okay. and then you just need to enter your email and password and phone number. After that, it will automatically select the role, like the role is software engineer. You can see that this is the predefined summary, but we can improve that summary or we can generate from the chat gpt. I just select the chat gpt and it will generate another. Now you can generate the summary, like you can see that now it's generated. And if you want to improve this text, so you can select the improve, it will improve your professional summary. So this is the benefit for this, you can generate and or you and you can improve also. If you have already added some text here, so you can also improve that one. Now let's talk about these skills. I have added these skills, but if you want to enhance these skills, so you can select the enhance. It will enhance the skills also. You don't need to write and all the things again and again. So that is the and this is the best part of these projects. And it will automatically fetch the skills related to that profile. Now let's come to the experience. Like I have added these two things, and we can add more data. As you have experience, so you can add more data also, or you can just improve that bullet points, so it will improve the summary and it will make it simple and easy way. Okay, you can you can change the prompt from the admin for this also. If you want to improve some in a different way, so you can change that also. Now we have now we come to the project section. So you can select the project and improve section. If you don't need, so you just skip that improve part. Now this is the education part. We can select the education. From here we can add, because this is depend on the student, so you need to add these things at your end. These are just the sample, so you can add the educations at your end. Now let's generate the resume. Okay, now let's see. This is a professional resume, like you can share this directly to the interviews or to the hrs, to anyone who is looking for the jobs. You can see that my names and the email and the password. Now after that, the professional summaries are auto generated. Now you can see the skills and the experience that I added. The experience, you can see the projects and educations also. If you want to add more fields inside this inside the resume, so you can add the field from here, from the admin sections also, if you want to add more. But I don't think so you need to add any other fields, because this is for the college project. So this is the best for the college projects that you are using, then like ai pythons and merging them and using an api for the openai to real time uses. So you can skip all the adding the fields in this. So this is all about this project. If you are looking for the projects, looking for the best project for your last years, so you can go with this project, or you can check another projects also in our website. You can, like, this is also this is also best projects. We are using an app, or we are using an OpenAI and build an AI learning app with the React. So you can check this also. This is the best project till now. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.